Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a wishlist on Target account. So first we're going to go to the Target app. As I told you, guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on My Target, found at the lower right corner of the app. Then here, you're going to click on Register in Wishlist. So as you can see, this is where we can create our wishlist. So you guys could select any of those. You guys could also click on the custom wishlist if you want to create a custom one. But I personally chose the birthday wishlist, so I'm going to click on it. Then next, we're going to click on Create a Birthday Wishlist. Then you guys are going to insert your first name, your last name, then your event date, the date which the birthday is going to happen. Then we're going to click on Continue. Then you guys could make it private or leave it on public. Then next, we're going to click on Create Wishlist. So now we're going to add items to our wishlist. We can scan items, we can add items. This is our dashboard, so you guys could also shop using your budget. You can see what's viral now, and you can select based on the age. For example, this is what's going to be brought up for age 14 and above. So you guys could browse through it and add to cart. So this is how you basically do it. You guys could also create other custom wish lists. As you can see, there are different of them. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.